Preview. Before and after. First, open PhotoRoom on your device. Import the photo you want to work on into the app. Watch as PhotoRoom magically removes the background, keeping the main subject in focus. It's incredibly easy. Review the edited image carefully. If there are any parts that need adjustments, you can delete or restore them to perfection. Once you're happy with the edits, confirm the changes. Choose the transparent option to maintain the removed background. Next, tap on the background option. Select a new background that suits your photo and save the edited image with the new background. Now, let's switch to Adobe Lightroom. Open the app on your device and import the photo we just edited in PhotoRoom. Set the aspect ratio to 4.5 for that perfect Instagram-ready look. Start by adjusting the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to get the lighting just right. Then tweak the temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation to make the colors pop. Fine-tune the hue, saturation, and luminance for more precise color control. Move on to color grading. Adjust the shadows, luminance, blending, and balance for a polished look. Make further refinements with curve adjustments, focusing on the blue, green, red, and white channels. Choose the Modern 3 profile and set the amount to 121. Adjust the texture, clarity, and dehaze settings as needed. Fine-tune the vignette amount, midpoint, feather, roundness, and highlights for a professional touch. Enhance the details with sharpening, radius, detail, and masking. Reduce noise with noise reduction and color noise reduction. Use the masking tool for selective adjustments. Modify exposure and saturation, and use a brush to add colors where necessary. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the adjustments, export your photo. Open Lens Distortions on your device. Import the exported photo into Lens Distortions. Add light if necessary. Add light effects to enhance the atmosphere of the photo. Take the summer and add bokeh effect to it. Apply a subtle bokeh effect to create a dreamy and visually appealing finish to your edited image. Save the final edited photo in Lens Distortions, completing the transformation process. Thank you for following along with this detailed editing process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.